Magnum options. Perhaps somewhat misleading, the slogan, the right choice for real traders, might make you think that it's not also for newbie traders, but bear in mind that if you're new to the exciting world of binary options, Magnum options are also for you, whether you're experienced or a newbie. Today we'll be taking a look at the platform and some of the offering, and I'll be explaining why Magnum options can be used for both professional traders and newbie traders that like to trade for fun. First of all, ask yourself this: what kind of a trader are you? Do you trade for a living, or are you trading for a second income? Once you've ascertained what kind of trader you are, then the next step is to create a trading plan and to carry out your risk management so that you don't lose all of your funds in one go. You can make your capital last as long as possible and then start to profit. So the Magnum options platform is very visually appealing, and the actual platform itself is very clear and easy to use. It has everything you need on it. So for instance, you can see on the left side here the trader's choice. You can see what other traders are trading. Now if you're a newbie trader and you're not really sure about which way the markets are going to move, and you're not perhaps a trader that uses fundamental or technical analysis, then you might want to trade with the trend. And you can see here, perhaps this asset is not the one for you because 50% of the traders are going for the call and 50% for the put. But on some of the assets, you'll find a 60% call or a 70% call, and perhaps you'd like to follow the trend on that. So to use the trading platform, it's simply a case of looking at the chart here, looking at the movement, deciding when you'd like this to expire. In this case, it's in 9 minutes time, and placing either a call or a put option on that, and simply pressing the direction of your choice. You can see that with the MSM 30, you have a 65% payout. These are the top picks, by the way. If you're more of a commodities trader, perhaps you like trading gold or silver, these are now currently closed, but you have the option to do that. You can look at all the currencies here, the indices, the stocks, and you can also trade pairs. For instance, if you'd like to trade on Facebook against Google, which is in effect the same way as trading the Euro USD, will that pair go up or down? Then you trade on the pairs. For more information on how to trade these, you can go to the Learn More button here. By the way, as well as the binary options platform, you also have the option builder, which allows you to customize your trade in a way you can't do with the binary options. So you can select your profit, you can select the expiry time, and if you select a certain amount of profit, a percentage, let's say, you'll also get a certain amount of out of the money. With the option builder, you can select how much money you'd like to get back out of the money. So for instance, if you'd like to get 20% of your trade back, then that will affect the profit that you can make. And you simply type in the investment amount here and either call or put on the Tadawul. Then you've got the One Touch platform, which is simply your will the asset touch the line by expiry. If so, you have the option to make a fabulous 210% profit. I ask you this: where else in the financial markets can you make 210% profit in such a short time? Well, with binary options you can. And again, you simply decide how many units you'd like to trade and apply on that to place a trade. And by the way, once you've placed a trade and you apply, minimum deposit $20, let's go to $100, which would bring me a payout of $171. And if in this case I'd get $5 back, and you apply on your trade, and by the way, up to 5 minutes before the trade expires, you have the option to automatically carry on this trade to another trade. It's like a rollover, or you can stop out if you see that it's not going the way you like it. It's a stop loss kind of a feature there, and that's more for the professional trader. So this is the professional trading platform, which is Magnum Options' answer to the MT4. It's a very nice looking platform. You have a drop down here where you can choose the asset you'd like to trade. And by the way, you can go back in history up to 5 hours to see exactly what this asset is doing. And you can go up to 15 minutes there. You've got your trader's choice here, so you can see all the spikes here. Type in the amount you'd like to invest and apply from here or from here. So you need to obviously select your call or your put. So, what else does the Magnum Options site and platform offer? Well, you can do all your banking from here and you can make a deposit from here. You can take a look at the long asset list from here to get an idea of what they offer before you start to trade. So you can see all of the different assets, and it's a very long list. And you can see the commodities, and do they have the commodity you specifically like to trade in? And of course the indices are here. For information, technical information on the markets, simply click on the daily market reviews where you'll see weekly and daily technical analysis so you can understand what each asset is doing. So you can look at the main assets here, and you've got your economic calendar to understand what events are coming up that will impact the market. So for instance, if Chairman Bernanke is about to testify, you can pretty much guarantee that is going to affect the USD in one way or the other. So, and this is a really good economic calendar because it says what it will impact, so which currency here. If you want to learn more about using the Magnum Options platform, you can take a guided tour. So let's just begin the demo.
Our platform is the most professional and objective platform for trading binary options online. Binary options are the
Okay, that's enough of that. And if you want more information on how to trade, you can click here and get some binary options lessons. To look at the recently expired rates, you can click there, and you can contact Magnum Options in a number of ways. You can see that first of all the site is available in English, Italian and German, and you have phone numbers across the globe, so no matter where you're based, you'll have a phone number that you can call, or you can simply fill out the contact form there. So if you invite your friends and they start trading, you get paid out. To learn more about that, you can go there. Now, the other thing I want to mention is that Magnum Options get their quotes directly from Thomson Reuters, so you can be sure that the quotes you're fed are timely and exact. So that's good. And you should also know that Magnum Options do segregate your funds into a segregated account. They also offer SSL, which is secure line trading, so you can feel comfortable about putting your banking details into the website. And that's Magnum Options, a very visually pleasing website for either newbies or professional traders.